Una natin topic mga kaibigan, Bato makes first appearance in Senate since Duterte's arrest. Ito ay article ng GMA News Online. Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa on Thursday made his first appearance in the Senate since the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte last March 11. O, diba? Hindi na kinayan this guys. Talaga ba? Hindi! Diyos ko man, hindi naman nagtatago yan. Kailan pa nagtago ang Bato? Diba? So ayun, mula nung naaresto si Duterte, ngayon lang nagpakita si Bato. O, diba? Tapos kung ano-ano pa sinasabi, ewan ko kung nandito sa article na yon, pero sana nandito para mapag-usapan natin, diba? Pero tuloy pa rin natin pagbabasa natin. De la Rosa first attended the Senate inquiry on the proliferation of online sexual abuse and exploitation of children in the country, then proceeded to the hearing on Duterte's arrest. Kaya naman pala pumasok. Kasi tungkol naman pala sa pagkaka-arresto ni Duterte yung hearing. Diyos ko naman. Before going to the hearings, De La Rosa briefly talked with Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero and Senate Minority Senator Amy Marcos. Sorry naman. Who chairs the Foreign Relations Committee. Ayan. Kaya mag-ingat tayo. Huwag niyong paghahaluin ng bato at mangga. In an interview with reporters, De La Rosa said this is the first time that he returned to Manila. To recall, he was last sighted in the National Capital Region when he attended the prayer rally for the former president in Liwasang Bonifacio last March 15. Yun yung huling nakita siya sa NCR, di ba? Diyos ko naman, ang haba ng tago. Almost 1 month. Pero sabi niya, all over the Philippines, nagmo-motor ako. Talaga ba? According to De La Rosa, he went to the Senate to attend the inquiry into Duterte's arrest as per Marcos' request. Wow. Nautusan pala ni Marcos. Daw. Okay. Ito sabi niya, kailangan ko mag-attend. Talaga ba? As about his expectations in the hearing, De La Rosa said, we expect sana some clarifications from our resource person. However, there were no cabinet officials present at the hearing on Duterte's arrest. Naubos yung tao sa hearing. Diyos ko, kung nakita niya yung picture, parang silang dalawa lang ni Amy ang nandun. De La Rosa, who earlier described himself as the number 2 accused in the ICC investigation on Duterte's drug war, was the chief of the Philippine National Police when the campaign against illegal drugs was launched. So, ayun, dahil kaya medyo nagkakaanuhan, di ba? Kasi siya yung chief nung PNP, nung time nung drug war. Kaya ayun, si Pebbles nagtatago. The re-electionist senator recently said he is considering hiding and not surrendering in the event authorities. Kaya naman pala, implement a warrant of arrest issued by the ICC against him. Magtatago daw siya kapag siya ay nahainan ng arrest warrant. Initially, De La Rosa said he is willing to submit himself to the authorities and join Duterte. Yun! The acidity. Acidity talaga. Hindi. May tawag yan, nakalimutan ko na naman. Diyos ko. The contrasting, the pandadaya effect. Diba? De La Rosa said he is willing to submit himself. Initially, to authorities and join Duterte in the detention facility of the ICC in The Hague, Netherlands. Pero ngayon, tumiklop. Diyos ko. So, ayun, magtatago na lang daw siya. Duterte is currently in ICC's custody in The Hague, Netherlands, after Philippine authorities served the warrant of arrest against from the International Tribunal. Ayun. So, nagpakitang muli ang Bato na hate ang bato? Talaga ba? O baka naman, wait lang. Sorry. Naman 2 seconds nga lang pala to sound effect na to. Ayan. Nagtago ang bato na mukhang galit sa bato pero yung pala ay napoprotekta ng nagbebenta ng bato. Charot! Ano masasabi niya, kaibigan? Comment down below.